Hello children. In the last video of Act 5 Scene 1, we have seen that Prospero first addresses Gonzalo and commends his loyalty. Then he reminds Alonso of his cruel treatment of himself and his daughter. The king expressed his sincere remorse for having assisted Antonio to depose his brother Prospero. Let's continue the scene. We have to begin with Alonso's speech. Alonso, you the like loss. Alonso says, you suffered a loss like mine. Prospero, as great to me as late. Late is recent. He says, yes, just as great and just as recent. And supportable to make the dear loss have I means such weaker than you may call to comfort you, for I have lost my daughter. He says, and I have much less to comfort me than you do, since I have lost my daughter. Alonso, a daughter? Oh heavens, that they were living both in Naples, the king and queen there. A daughter? Oh God! He says, oh God, I wish the two of them were alive and living in Naples as king and queen. That they were, I wish myself were mudded in that oozy bed where my son lies. Oozy bed is muddy bottom of the sea. He says, I would give up my life and take my son's place in the mud on the ocean floor if I could see them alive in Naples. When did you lose your daughter? When did you lose your daughter? Prospero says, in this last tempest, in this recent storm. I perceive these lords at this encounter do so much admire that they devour their reason. He says, I think these lords seem so astonished that they have lost their use of reason, and scarce think their eyes do offices of truth. Their words are natural breath, and they hardly believe what they see with their own eyes is a fact, and what they listen are actual words. But howsoever you have been jostled from your senses, know for certain that I am Prospero. Jostled means pushed out. He says, but whatever the reason for your losing your senses are, you can know for sure that I am Prospero. And that very duke which was thrust forth of Milan, who most strangely upon this shore, he says, and that same duke who was kicked out of Milan and landed on this same island, where you were wrecked, was landed to be the lord on it, where you landed and became the lord of it. No more yet of this, for a chronicle of day by day, not a relation for a breakfast, nor befitting this first meeting. Chronicle is what? It is a record of events. He says, no more of this story now, for it takes days to tell, not just a chat over breakfast or during the first meeting of ours. Welcome, sir. This sells my court. Here have I few attendants and subjects, none abroad. Abroad means in the outside world. Now he talks to Alonso and he says, welcome, sir. This room's my royal court. I have hardly any servants here and no subjects outside this room. Pray you, look in my dukedom, since you have given me again. I will requite you with such a good thing. Requite means repay. He says, please have a look. Since you have given my dukedom back to me, I will give you something equally nice. He says, I will requite you with as good a thing. He says, I will give you something equally nice. At least bring forth a wonder to content ye as much as me my dukedom. Or at least I'll give you an amazement to satisfy you, as much as my dukedom satisfies me. The entrance of the call open and discovers Ferdinand and Miranda playing at chess. Prospero draws the curtain to reveal Ferdinand and Miranda playing at chess. Miranda, sweet lord, you play me false. Now Miranda is talking to Ferdinand. My sweet lord, you are cheating me. Ferdinand, no, my dearest love, I would not for the world. No, my dearest love, I would not cheat you for the whole world. Miranda, yes, maybe not for the whole world. For a score of kingdoms you should wrangle, and I would call it fair play. But you would cheat for 20 kingdoms. But even then, I would still lie and say you were playing by the rules. Alonso, if this prove a vision of the island, one dear son shall I twice lose. If this dream vision is typical of what this island conjures up, then I will lose my son twice. How? Once in the sea and again now in his love. Sebastian, a most high miracle, a wonderful miracle. Ferdinand, though the seas threaten, they are merciful. I have cursed them without cause. Ferdinand, seeing Alonso, he says the seas may threaten us, but they show mercy sometimes. I curse them for no reason. And he kneels to Alonso. Alonso, now all the blessings of a glad father compass thee about. Compass means encircle. Receive all the blessings of a happy father. Arise, get up, and say how thou camest here, and tell me how you came here. Miranda, oh wonder how many goodly creatures are there here. She says, how amazing, how many wonderful creatures there are here. How beauteous mankind is. Beauteous means beautiful. She says mankind is so beautiful. Oh, brave new world that has such people in it. Oh, what a wonderful new world that has such people in it. Prospero, 'tis new to thee. It is new to you only. Alonso, what is this maid with whom thou wast at play? Now Alonso is talking to Ferdinand. Who is this girl you were playing chess with? Your eldest acquaintance cannot be 3 hours. You cannot have known her for more than 3 hours. Is she the goddess that hath served us and brought us thus together? Is she the goddess that separated us and then brought us back together? Ferdinand, sir, she is mortal. He says, no, sir, she is human. But by immortal providence, she is mine. Immortal providence means God. But by the grace of God, she is mine. I chose her when I could not ask my father for his advice, nor thought I had one. I chose her for my wife when I thought I had no father to ask advice of. She is daughter to this famous Duke of Milan, of whom so often I have heard renown, but never saw before. She is the daughter of this famous Duke of Milan I had so much about, but never saw before, of whom I have received a second life and second father. This lady makes him to me. He has given to me a second life, and marrying her makes him a second father to me. Alonso says, I am hers, and I am her father as well. But oh, How oddly will it sound that I must ask my child forgiveness. Oddly means strangely. He says, but oh, how odd, how strange it is to have to ask for my child's forgiveness. Prospero, there's a stop. Let us not burden our remembrance with a heaviness that's gone. Remembrance means memory. He says, stop right there, sir. Let's not get gloomy. Let's not get sad in our reminiscing, since there's no reason for sadness anymore. Gonzalo, I have inly wept, or should have spoke this. Inly means inwardly. I have been crying to myself just now, or I would have said the same thing. Look down, you gods, and on this couple drop a blessed crown. He says, dear gods, bless this couple. For it is you that have chalked forth the way which brought us hither. Since you are the ones who have shown us the path that led us here. Alonso, I say Amen, Gonzalo. Gonzalo, was Milan thrust from Milan that his issue should become King of Naples? Was the Duke of Milan kicked out of Milan so his children could become kings of Naples? Oh, rejoice beyond a common joy and set it down with gold on lasting pillars. He says, oh, this is cause for an extraordinary joy that should be engraved in gold on pillars to last forever. In one voyage did Claribel her husband find at Tunis, and Ferdinand her brother found a wife where he himself was lost. On one and the same trip, Claribel found a husband in Tunis, and Ferdinand her brother found a wife where he himself was lost, means where he was shipwrecked. Prospero his dukedom in a poor isle, and all of us ourselves when no man was his own. Prospero found his dukedom on a poor island, and all of us found ourselves when we lost control of ourselves. Alonso, to Ferdinand and Miranda, give me your hands, let grief and sorrow still embrace his heart that doth not wish you joy. Now Alonso talks to Ferdinand and Miranda, and he says, give me your hands. May anyone who doesn't wish you feel joy, feel grief and sorrow. He says, may anyone who doesn't wish you joy feel grief and sorrow. Gonzalo, be it so, amen. Re-enter Ariel with the master and bosun amazedly following. Ariel enters with the master and bosun following him in amazement. Oh, look, sir. Here is more of us. He says, oh, look, sir. More of us are here. I prophesied if a gallows were on land, this fellow could not drown. I remember I predicted that this guy could never drown as long as there are gallows around on the island. Now, blasphemy that swearest grace overboard, not an oath on shore. Now, blasphemy. Gonzalo now addresses the bosun as blasphemy, meaning that he is blasphemous because he is in the habit of swearing oaths. So Gonzalo to bosun he says, hey, you curser, you impious and foul-mouthed fellow, you drove all divine mercy overboard by your oaths, but you are not swearing at all on land. Hast thou no mouth by land? What is the news? Are you afraid to open your lips now when you are on land? Have you brought any news? Bosun says the best news is that we have safely found our king and company. Bosun says the best news of all is that we have located our king and our people, our men. The next, our ship, which but 3 glasses since we gave out split, is tight and yare and bravely rigged as when we first put out to sea. Tight means free from leaks, and bravely rigged means nicely equipped. So here Bosun says the next bit of good news is that our ship, which we gave up for ruined only 3 hours ago, is as well outfitted and seaworthy as it was when we first set sail. Sorry. Ariel aside to Prospero, Sir, all this service have I done since I went. Ariel speaking so that only Prospero can hear. He says, Sir, I have done all this work for you since I left you last. Prospero aside to Ariel. Now Prospero is speaking so that only Ariel can hear. He says, my tricksy spirit, my clever spirit. Alonso, these are not natural events. They strengthen from strange to stranger. Say, how came you hither? He says these are unnatural events. They get stranger all the time. And to Bosun he says, tell me how did you get here? So this much is enough for today, children. We will continue this scene in the next video. Thank you.